Are we getting closer to a potential reversal in US dollar index? That is exactly what we're looking at today on the weekly time frame of DXY. That is the US dollar index. So it's very obvious that the price is coming closer to this long-term trend line, which is also the bottom of this very channel. And the channel dates back as far as 2008, when the price began at the top of the channel, then down to the bottom of the channel around 2011. Then we got price move back up again to the top of the channel. That was around 2017 or thereabout. Then we got price come down to the bottom of the channel at this point. And again, we had price move to the top of the channel. And right now we are approaching the bottom of the channel right at this point. This has been a very strong trend line. So are we going to see the bounce of DXY from this very point? That is a possibility. And also we are seeing a new channel, which I pointed out in my previous video. And we've left the top of the channel and we're headed to the bottom of the channel. So we want to look at the price levels that we need to watch. Now, picking our crosshair, we find out that price will hit the channel right at 96.61 area. Okay, that will be the level that price will be touching the trend line, which is also the bottom of this ascending channel. 96.61 will be one area to watch out for a potential reversal. And also, if we should get price come down to test the bottom of this very descending channel, in that case, we'll see price coming to 95.68 area. So between 96.61 area and 95.68 area, we should be expecting a potential reversal of the DXY, that is the dollar index, and that will also mean a downward reversal of the euro versus USD. So we should be watching out for this area. We should be watching out for a potential reversal around this area, either when price hits the bottom of this ascending channel or when we get the price hit the bottom of this very channel. So anywhere around here, we should be expecting a bounce, and I think everything is going to happen this week. All right, so we should be watching out for what is going to happen around here for a potential buy opportunity for the USD index, and also a potential sell opportunity for the Euro USD. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.